Hi everyone, my name is Lauren Malhoit, and welcome to my course, Fundamentals of Using Cisco ACI. Lately, we've been watching other parts of the data center, such as compute and storage, move light years ahead of networking by embracing things like automation and orchestration. It's time for networking to catch up. By using Cisco application-centric infrastructure, networking will no longer be the bottleneck in the data center. This course is an introduction to ACI, but we won't just learn some of the terms or only run through some tasks on installation, let's say. We'll learn exactly how to set up an ACI fabric, and more importantly, why we're doing it that way, and why we're using Cisco ACI. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include getting familiar with the Application Policy Infrastructure Controller, or APIC, using network switches in the most optimal way, creating policies to automate traffic flow, and finally, avoiding the pains that come along with traditional networking, like, for example, spanning tree. By the end of this course, you'll know why software-defined networking, specifically with ACI, is the right way to do networking moving forward. You'll know how to deploy an application and create policies to manage it, and you'll feel comfortable with some of the new ideas brought forth with SDN and ACI. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with basic networking, something you might learn from a CCNA certification, for example. Though you don't need to be able to deep dive on things like dynamic routing protocols or anything like that. It's good to be familiar with things like subnets, IP addressing, and VLANs. This is a fairly high-level course, though, and though it is very technical and just riddled with demos, there's a lot more to learn, and I'll be publishing future courses to deep dive into some of these topics. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn Cisco ACI with this fundamentals course at PluralSight.